How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Blake Check. If you're new to the channel, my name is Blake. It's nice to meet you. Now, during a recent road trip to Carlsbad, California, I committed the shameful cardinal sin of Tesla ownership. I curbed one of my wheels. Let's get a moment of silence. So anyways, after I finished wiping up my tears, I figured it would be a good chance to turn my problem into an opportunity by showing you guys how to easily and affordably repair curb rash on your car at home. Alright, so all you'll need for this little DIY project are some clean microfiber towels. I buy these in bulk from Costco and I highly recommend them. You'll need a water-diluted ethyl alcohol mixture, and you'll need some fine grit detailing sandpaper, and finally, you'll need this Dupli-Color paint repair pen. So I bought this on Amazon. Actually, links to all of these will be in the description below, but I bought this on Amazon, and as you'll notice, this is not Tesla specific. So let's talk a little bit about this guy. Instead, if you look close, you'll see that this is actually a dark shadow gray color made for Ford vehicles, and after some research, I actually found that this color very closely, if not exactly, matches the dark gray wheels on the base Model 3. So we're going to give this a shot and see how it turns out.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
And here's the finished product. So yeah, let me get in a little closer so you guys can see. When you get in really close, you can see that there are still some grooves in there. So to get around that, I'd recommend using just a more coarse sandpaper to smooth out that surface a little bit better before you start applying the paint. But with regards to the paint, you can see that the paint is actually almost an exact match. So especially when you back up just a little bit more. Now I'm at about like 3 feet away. So anybody just walking by your car that's not looking at the wheel with a magnifying glass is not going to notice a difference here. So yeah, I highly recommend this process, and it's super cheap and affordable, and really this whole process took me like an hour and a half, and that's just because I was allowing some time between coats for ample drying. So yeah, honestly, now that I'm standing up and looking at it, it turned out a lot better than I thought. I love little DIY projects and like tinkering with my cars and stuff, so this was right up my alley. So I had a good time doing it, and I hope you guys had a good time watching it. And if you like little DIY projects, I highly recommend trying this for yourself. But a little caveat, this obviously isn't the best way to fix your wheels. If you want it done professionally, you should have an expert do it. So that's my little soapbox for this. One more thing before I let you guys go. I ordered a metal print of one of my favorite pictures of my car, and I mounted it on the wall while the wheels were drying. And I want your guys' opinion on it. What do you guys think? I think it's awesome, but let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this. I don't sell any merch or anything, but if you guys were interested, I might offer a service where I come out to you and take professional pictures. Not professional, I'm not a professional, but I'll take, artistic photos like this of your car and have it printed on metal for you. So I just wanted to, test the waters with my own personal print of my photo. Is this something that you guys would be interested in for your car? If so, let me know in the comment section below. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. This has been Blake Check, and that's a wrap.